Good morning, man. How are you? No features this morning? No anything? Haven't traded? Or have you? You already got a head start? You got your little cushion built up or no? Dude, this is ridiculous. Look at this. If anybody was holding Netflix, I feel so bad for them. They lost like almost half. Alright, let's look at the gappers this morning because I haven't looked at them. Let's see, we got CYN. We got CRXT again, MULN, RDBX. Alright, let's see. Ooh, this one looks not that bad. Which is this? RDBX. So, what do you got, Abe? CYN, CRXT, MULN, and RDBX, right? CYN, let's look at this one. What your bonnet? Daddy, I can buy a bonnet. Bro, every stock that's on a gapper recently has been from bottoms, like nothing up high. I mean, I guess they're still gapping up, but I like the ones that are breaking higher highs and stuff. What are you talking about? I have to look at every chart. CYN. You'll get better. CRXT. I mean, CRXT is fine, but it's not. I mean, I guess we'll keep watching it. MULN. Let's look at MULN. This looks choppy. I don't like this at all. I don't like MULN at all. GFAI. Let me look at it. I like RDBX. GFAI. Okay, okay. Not bad. And then sucks that yesterday's runners gave it all back. So ALVR. Look. That's too much. LLAP. I mean. This one would have been good if it stayed higher, cause then you got an all high of $14. Why are airlines going up right now? Or at least American Airlines. Why is American Airlines going up? I do like American Airlines. You got pretty good pre-market resistance, but then you got $22 that hasn't been broken. So if you get 20 over 22, you could get that 22.50 from the 180 chart. I see. Which is pretty obvious. Oh, holy back, dude. I need to go to a chiropractor. That's what I need. Okay, so I'm gonna keep American Airlines up. I'm gonna put an alert right. Alert right there. Tesla might go rip. Oh yeah, how was Tesla's earnings? Wow, actually did go up. Or we can do what we were all saying yesterday, that even though that everything, earnings and all that stuff is doing good. Hey, what's up, Kieran? Even though earnings are looking good, everything else is tanking afterwards. You get a quick move up and then flush. So I don't know. I'd be interested to see if Tesla holds this. I want to see if Tesla holds it. It's a good move. Alright, so for today, I'm looking at CYN. And CYN, I'm looking for, let's see. CYN, I'm looking for that. The break of $2 and hold $2. Pretty big resistance on the 180 chart as well. You got it right there. And that's exactly where you are right now. So that is going to be a pretty hard resistance. Got to get over that and hold it, and we can get that 211 MULN. This one, it's on the gappers, but I always say when you see these candles that look like that, so super rectangle and stuff, this is low volume, so I will not touch that one. And then you got RDVX, which I like. Anywhere above VWAP, so $3, 310. CYN is already hitting that $2 again. It's literally doing right now. Hey, what's up, Mercer? How are you? Good morning. See, I was just calling CYN at the $2 mark, and it's exactly what it's trying to fight right now. I don't take any pre-market trades, so even if this squeezes to new high, I'm gonna leave it alone. But at least it tells me if there is a lot of buyers or a lot of sellers. So this candle should close. Alright, you got above $2 and holding it, so this could be an ad if you were doing pre-market trades. And there you go. American Airlines, I'm also looking on the side. It's kind of pulling back right now, but I'd rather it pull back than hit the highs pre-market, so we'll keep an eye on this one. I'll move down my alert right at VWAP, so anywhere in $21 and a half. Anybody else looking at any other different stocks? So CYN, MULN, oh MULN, I'm gonna not even mention anymore. RDBX, GFAI, and AAL, American Airlines. And then I guess CRXT I'm looking on my side chart as well, but I think it pulled back too much from yesterday's. Same thing with ALVR, so. But we'll see what starts showing up on the momentum scanner. We got almost 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes till we're live. Alright, I'm going to be looking at CYN if it holds up right there. Sad day today. I put myself under PDT. Oh, is it? Dude, I was watching UV, whichever one you were watching, UVXY, right? And I saw that it just kept going down. I was like, no. Damn, that one sucks. I remember because I was looking through my thing and then I saw it on there and I was like, no. Dude, honestly, that looked like a good trade to me. I wired money out of my account to pay my house off. Oh. Hey, well, that's a good thing, though. I thought you lost it, so at least you didn't freaking waste money. Well, not waste money, but at least you didn't lose the money, but hey, you'll get over it. Are you pretty far off right now, or are you pretty close to? So CYN is probably either gonna take out of the gate and hit a new high, which I probably will not jump into just because we're very close and this candle might move very fast for me, and I don't want to get a terrible fill up high and then it tank. So, but if it dips a little bit, then maybe. Okay, I took a fast loss right there, but it's fine. I saw that buy orders came in and never went up. But I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna go back in. And just that fast, I made those $100 back plus another 133. Let's go. Oh, I would have added on that dip. Maybe there. Ooh, terrible fills. It's taking forever. That fill took forever to get me in. Okay, I mean I added a little bit more, but that's it. It's going to be tough. I have a 10K account. Ooh, that's tough. Did you keep it on margin though, or did you go ahead and switch it off to a? And there's a bigger move right there. So I left that one alone and run without me, but I'm up $169 already. Did you take that account and switch it to a margin account? I mean, to a cash account, or you kept it at a margin account? I don't know how big you trade position wise, and I don't know. I know you did a lot of options or a little bit of auctions with that UVXY, but if you're not trading much with, it's been margin, so I guess it's not that bad. Okay. Well, it's not bad, but you're only gonna have 3 trades a week, so that's bad. But that's what I was saying. So if you trade small positions, then yeah. So if you trade small positions, like maybe 3,000, 2,000, 3,000, $4,000 each, then you could switch it to a cash account in the meantime and then do that. Which is still tough because you still have to manage your positions and know how much you're putting in on each. Okay, so yes, ripping, bro. That's a good thing then. Everything else is gonna go up. Let's look at see if Tesla's holding its rally. Oh, opening. See, picking up JBLU on my gapper. I'm gonna take a look. Okay, this looks decent volume here. Where's our target though? I don't see an obvious target. If anything, I see a downtrend resistance right there. That's pretty far off. I still got CYN on my side chart, so let me go look at it and see. Is this gonna turn around and curl back up? Let's just try this. Let's just try it for funsies, right? Make another $100 there for fun. Let's try taking a little bit more there. Got 1,000 shares. Let's just go ahead and put a stop loss above break even. Okay, made a little bit more. Sorry I couldn't call that one out. I kind of mentioned it pretty quick. I just jumped it on the bounce. But here we can get a squeeze further up if we get above the same line of 212, which is the same pre-market resistance as you can see. I'd like the stock to get over it, stay on top of it, close the candle above it, and then get a dip on the next one, which it didn't. So now I'm not interested as much. This is probably going to fail right here and go lower. There it is. What is this one doing? JBLU still. JBLU. Same thing with here. You got that resistance on top, but then you also got the candle's bodies right here at 13.95. If this candle closes below it, CRXT doing well. I kind of saw it a little bit, but then it just flushed. Good try. So GBLU is not looking bad. I keep seeing RDBX too. It's playing around with the VWAP right now. But I'm still watching JBLU right now. Let's see. Let me pick up some of these smaller ones on my momentum scanner and see if they have anything in them. FNGU. FNGU, what do you got? You also don't have an obvious target. Come on, man. Hey, CRXT's trying to come back. I'm gonna put JBLU on my side chart for now. Wow, RDBX literally just failed as well. What's up, Kieran? I see you typing. What you got? So far, I've only taken 1 or 2 trades on CYN up $314. I am still watching CYN and JBLU right here. We're getting a move right back up to this. I'd be interested to see if we get this break here. So that's a lot of sell orders there, and people didn't buy. But I'll take this. I'm not liking that. $6 profit. Let's go, man. I'm just kidding. Market looks good for shorting today. Let me finish, man. Sorry. I just glanced real quick. I see you typing, then I look back, and then I glance again. See you typing still, man. Come on. I'm kidding. So that JBLU, I saw a bunch of buy orders come in and didn't really move, so I just got out of it. I also thought it was more volatile than that, but it's 10 cents is pretty far apart, so you got a big old distance for just 10 cents. So let's go look at CYN again. CYN, can we get a break of 2-1 right now to squeeze back up to 2-2? A lot of sellers. A lot of sellers still, man. Why can't sellers just let us squeeze the stock, go up $2 or $3, and then we'll tell them you can short it now. I'll take my profits, and then you now take your profits. Start your position. Wouldn't that be awesome? We all make money. Okay, still watching CYN. I probably will not chase this one out of here. So this last candle popped up, and then right after it hit 210, it came down pretty aggressively. So I'm gonna leave that one there. Still fighting that $2.10. So, and the thing is, if you get over $2.10, you might not even get a retest when being that's closed from 220. So it might just squeeze straight through, but let's see. But we shall see. And looks like this is gonna be it right here. Like always, I always say, watch this candle. You want this candle to close above 210, and that's what I'm talking about. It doesn't want to. If that candle would have closed above 210 and the next one opened above 210, I would take that micro pullback or take that little bit of a continuation to 220. So I left that one there. And this is what I was talking about JBLU. I mentioned that I saw a lot of buy orders come in, so that tape flashed green and the candle did not move up at all. So, I mean, it stopped literally to the penny 3 times. After that, it flushed down. So, I'm leaving that one alone now. Let's see what else is on the... Oh, ATER is showing up on my momentum scanner. Let's see what we got. Oh, ATR also came down a lot more than I wanted to. Anybody taking any trades? Which trades have y'all taken? Wild Boy is probably just like looking at the market and being upset because I know when I couldn't trade for some reason or I wasn't home, I'd be mad, dude. I'm down 250. Is that on ES? On your feature place? Mostly? Dang, that sucks. CRXT is flushing and CYN. Yeah, CYN. CYN, I got lucky in my dip trade. I bought a dip right here and sold it and then fell and I left all this alone. And then my first trade was here, it came down, I lost, and buyers came in and came up. 3 ones on CYN so far. Nice. Still holding UVXY options, looking for a spot to cut my loss if it doesn't move soon. Let me look at it again. UVXY. When do they expire? That goes GBLU again. Let's watch here now. When you got this much momentum after that tank, short sellers will definitely get out, so we can definitely see a higher move here now, maybe. We need to hold this $13 now, though, and break 14. So I just called that one. I'm still holding these in case this rips and all of these people actually get out. So I put a stop loss right above break even, but because there's still a lot of short sellers, buy orders might come in here and this might actually rip up to 14.10. So let's keep watching. Okay, 14 and a half. I'll take out, there it is, there it is. Take out 500 there. I didn't go in as big a position as I thought, so, and I took most of them out right away, I think. So that was, oh, we got CYN making a move as well. I'm going to close this one just because 500 shares there is not going to do much. Go right back to CYN, take this micro pullback right here for a new high, and just like that, take half, and close it out. There we go, man. You have to be fast. You have to be fast. If you want to be a day trader like that, you have to be fast. You have to have all your charts open on the side. You have to be looking at all of them. You have to have alerts and know when you have to cut a loss on one, even if you are profited, and jump right into the next one. That was crazy. I was green on both trades, but I knew that CYN was going to be a better trade if I took that one right away. So I was on JBLU at that moment, and I closed it out at a profit. I had 500 shares left. Actually, I probably sold the peak still, but I didn't want to be in that trade anymore. I could have held them, but whatever. So I went right back to CYN. It was about to break that 220, so I jumped right before it. Got the break, took out half, squeezed a little bit more, and took another half. So now I'm up 590 on this one. Took a trade on JBLU for 126. And is that it? I thought I took another one. See, no. I guess JBLU was the first trade I took for that $6 profit. So there we go. CRXT maybe pre-market support. Let me see. CRXT pre-market support. You got it down at... Where are you looking to enter this? The 237 looks pretty good. Sitting on my hands today, just watching your strategy. Nice. This guy again with the quick hands. Dude, you have to be fast, man. I actually got rid of CYN pretty early too. I took half and then I took half again and just closed it. But we got a little bit more farther up. Yeah, but I mean, This is why I say I cannot swing trade. I cannot play long-term trades. But I can tell you that when the stock is gonna rip through this resistance in the next 30 seconds to a minute, I know it's gonna do it. So I'm gonna jump in real quick. And hotkeys, man, hotkeys will save you. So if you're on Thinkorswim, set up your hotkeys and use the ladder, which is active trader. So the one you're seeing at the top right. Actually, I think it's blocked for you guys. Yeah, but but that was pretty cool. So I should be up 6, 7, almost $800 again today. Nice, nice. Good trading, good trading. CRXT came right back down to that 234 and it's bouncing back up. So now you have a range on CRXT. Let me look at it again. So you got this tight range right here. So watch for a break of 263-ish and then a break of 235. So any of those moves down below. CYN might have another leg up, maybe. Too late. I got the retest, so I was hoping for a bigger move. Oh, on CRXT? There goes CYN. I almost took that trade. CYN, yeah. Okay, you got that retest. Good job. Are you still holding? You're gonna get a new high here. Oh, you'll still get a new high. You're gonna get a new high, watch. I bet my money on this. Right here. Ooh, ooh. Wow, this is incredible. You're still gonna get a new high though, and it's gonna squeeze pretty big. You can get 240s and 245. 250 probably. Hey, I didn't say anything about betting my money on a new high right here. I'm just saying. So, I'm seeing this. See, that's exactly where it's getting stuck. Wow. That was pretty incredible. Like, it went to the penny and stayed. If this candle comes up and closes right there, it's definitely going to. So, you got 20 seconds on this candle, and so far it's looking good. So, let's see. That's where you want it right there. I'm going to jump in because this candle is looking healthy right before it closes. So, 2,500 shares. Candles closing. Closed below. Yeah, closed below. I'm getting out. So I wanted that candle to go and close above it. Which is why I went smaller. I only went 2,500 shares instead of 5,000, but ugh. Ooh, that's nasty. That's nasty. Got out right before the pop, but still made some money. Okay. Hey, that's good. So, I mean, what else do we have, man? Why is this market like this? We got CYN, which was our, I guess, our better stock, and now it's flushing. We got RDBX, which I wanted it over VWAP and never even had a chance to hold VWAP. American Airlines looked decent until it's just downtrending all day. JBLU took one small trade and then gave it all back. Couldn't even hold the first support. I don't know what this is, but that looks like not healthy volume at all. And then my momentum is not showing anything. I see one stock halted, but let me look at it. Oh, look at this one. Look at WBEV. When did this halt at? 8:48. So it's 8:48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So 2 minutes until this unhalts. But look at this one. We got a resistance from yesterday at 5.9 and where it halted at 5.57. This could be good. This could be a good trade. WBEV. So WBEV. If we get a resumption with still strong volume anywhere below $6, I might be a buyer. Wink Inc. Com. So we're at 48. So resumption is pretty soon. Still watching resumption on WBEV. It's been 5 minutes already, so hope it's not a 10-minute halt. I put alerts on it right above and right below, so either way, as soon as it opens, it'll send me an alert, but I'm going to keep watching it. I want that break of 5.9 and $6. Oh, terrible opening. Don't even touch that. What? What? How do you squeeze from a terrible opening? Well, that was sucky. That was a lot of money missed, but on something that made no sense, so. Yeah. That's what I say, it was low volume, but I mean, if it opened anywhere up here, like a little gap or something, and then squeezed, then yeah, but it opened exactly, tanked all the way to 520, and then ripped. Yeah. Yeah, I understand. So, good call to not jump in it, but we missed out a good trade. I don't see anything else now. Not even close. Maybe CYN still, but there goes CYN right now too. I'm gonna jump in here. It's right at resistance, but let's see if we get a break. Hopefully it doesn't flush on me. If I get profits back on this one, then I'll probably be... Oh, no. What? It's frozen. My screen's frozen. What happened? My screen froze for a second. My screen is looking choppy for a second. There's the buy orders. Here we go. I got a chance to hold. I had a chance to sell half at that peak. Perfect timing. I still have 2,500 shares, so I'm gonna close 1,500 there, and I have 1,000 left for this break right here of 240. That's a lot of sellers, man. A lot of sellers, but a lot of buy orders coming in. This should break, man. If this doesn't break, I'll be surprised. This should break and squeeze because of all these sellers. So I got 1,000 shares. Wow. Oh. No, that's not. Okay. Well, I got out there. I think I was up 530, right? Or something like that on this one. CYN currently back up. Yeah, but dude, this, I'm seeing flashed green across the tape. And then as soon as it gets up here, it just turns all into red. I think I made a little more though. I was up 500 on it, right? I don't remember. 6, 7. I don't remember. Sucks though, because I got out and I think this is going to hit the high. But there's a seller, so that's not a healthy break. You hit the break, you hit the high, and you flush right down with that same candle. So no longer interested. It doesn't make sense, dude. Alright. So that was a close call. I think I was down $200-300 on it. And sellers are strong, so I'm gonna import my trades for now, just to see what my profit is. And let's see how it looks, you know. It's nice to see how much you're up after a good trading. Oh, I didn't even save it. I'm an idiot. My thing was telling me freaking I was putting duplicates and I put the one from yesterday, not today's. So export a file, save as 421. Go back to here. I was importing yesterday's. Idiot. Browse. I need to put these in a folder so I don't have to scroll down so much. Upload that. CYN trying again. CYN again, CYN, trying to hold. This is what you need to hold at 239. Exactly what you're at. So hold this. Let's see. This is exactly what it was doing earlier when I said I want this candle to close above it, and the candle was looking good, so I bought in and it was right above it, and then when that candle closed, it gapped down a little bit and closed below. So I didn't like that. Did WE, okay, this one halted again. Is this a good pullback here at VWAP? VWAP been support from the pre-market for WBEV, the one that we missed a big halt going up. So we got a high of 655. We're trading at $6 right now. If this holds $6 a little bit longer, then we can get a curl back up. We had this halt up here, and we were looking at a resumption there. Opened terribly, so none of us took it because it opened there, flushed down to 526, and then ripped all the way to 620. So it ripped $1 a share after that. CYN had a big pullback, but now it's coming back up. No, not really. And this is too much of a pullback for WBEV, so I'm going to leave that one alone on that dip. CYN still, man. You know what this reminds me of? And this is why you also have to pay attention. This reminds me of CRXT yesterday. So let's look at this. So you got, and I don't know if I'm right or not. I just feel like it looks similar. Can I freaking hold on? Once I can zoom in, then I can show you guys. But holy crap, dude. That's one thing they have to fix. This little thing, it won't work. Oh my god, dude. Does anybody know how to fix this bug? Dude, I can't zoom in. There we go. So this looks like CRXT to me. You got a pre-market high, right? And then UAL. Okay. Ooh, $50 a share. But you got all highs of 54, and you got a today high of 52. So yeah, that's interesting. Hold on, it's too high though. I don't think I'm gonna trade it. I think I'm probably done trading today. But CRX, no, which one I was looking at? CYN. So yeah, you got a pre-market high. It's slow climbing up all day, and really strong sellers across the top, right? And let's look at CRXT yesterday. I feel like this looks familiar. No, maybe not. I was gonna say you got strong sellers for a while, like maybe this move right here. All of this is what it was reminding me of, where you got the first initial move and then a very long consolidation of the same level. So that's exactly what you're seeing on CYN. All of this, see? Move up, down, move straight back up, move up, down, straight back up, and then consolidation. But what happened with CRXC yesterday is after that move broke and you finally got a break because it was all sellers here, you got that move. I'm not saying that can happen with CYN, but it'd be interesting to know if this is the same pattern that is shown on this stock yesterday as of today. Actually looks very similar to me. Looking for a retest on uptrend. Yeah, you got, hold on. There's your retest if you got in there. Did you get in a little bit? It's this level right here, the 39, the 4039, dude. I'm looking at the level 2. See, every time it gets up to that 239 at 240, how much it's flashing. I think I saw 140 at one point. Oh, look at UAL, Ape Chase. Was you the one that called it? You got that break, but then look at that. That's nasty. That would have been the good entry, Mercer. You got the double support. You got support from that upchain, and you have that support from this previous resistance here. So that would have been a good entry, and you were calling it out. Oh, I never showed you guys. I imported it. I'm up 738 today. $738 today. Currently up. Currently up. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means I'm going to lose some or if I'm going to come back and make a little bit more. So far, if I trade, it looks like I will lose money. I don't see any obvious trades, and CYN is the only one, but pretty shorted, so I'm scared to take a trade on it. I bought it, it broke the uptrend, it sells, it rips up. No. How much volume has this got right now? 88 million. Pain. Hey, Mercer, I don't know if you know this or anybody else in here. Do y'all know how to take a video from your computer and send it to your iPhone? Because the method that I was doing, because I'll record my videos and then I use whatever this is. I'll show you guys. Dropbox. Oh, I didn't try that. I tried Google Drive and then for some reason they deleted that like on the app when you get the video on Google Drive uploaded from your computer and then you go on your app on the phone and you click the drive and you click download the videos, it doesn't give you that option anymore. Save to Dropbox. Yeah, I didn't try that. I tried Google Drive and then the other way that I was doing it, it was some VLC thing sharing through Wi-Fi where I didn't even have to plug it in as well. And for some reason yesterday it stopped doing that, so I tried it and tried it for like an hour and could not get my video on my phone. Obviously I could plug it in, but I'm gonna try Dropbox. We got IMAP on our scanners. That was a stock from not too long ago, so let's go look at it. IMAP has a high of 1739 and we are at 15 right now, so we got a while. Yeah, I'll try the Dropbox. Let's look at WBEV again. Ooh, it gapped down. It halted down, I mean, sorry. Come on. Now it's boring. Hey, Trace, you taking any more trades, or are you still down that 250? Let's look at UVXY for Wild Boy. Ooh, you're getting a pop. Oh. I thought you were getting a pop back up until you got over this and flushed down. What about Netflix? Is Netflix still dropping? Oh, Netflix. Wait. This could have been a pretty good short right there. You're right up to that level, and then you see that level again. Especially with the news, you shorted Tesla. Still down 250. Yeah, that's good. 250, you can make that pretty good, pretty easily back, so it's not bad. MDVL. The VWAP support. Where is... So this one struggled right here at $3.15, like 3 times, so we didn't even get up to that level today. Break of 3 can rip. Yeah, break of 290s, 293, 295. You could get that 315 again, but 315 has had pretty strong resistance. So you got 1 there, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually, every time I got to that level, you failed pretty hard. Look at that. So you know sellers are gonna be stacked right there. But that means you could at least probably see that level. So yeah, you could start a position here and see if you can get that 315. GFAI. You grab some MDVO. I don't. I mean, there's different strategies on trading. I just don't see how you can predict a dip like both of you guys are buying both of these. Now ATR is a different story. This looks good. Well, this would have been the trade here. Good mental support. Dude, I mean, everybody's always like, how much do you risk and how do you know where you put your stop loss and how do you know how much you have to lose and how do you control it? I'm like, I don't. It's in my head. I really don't. Everything is mental when you're trading this fast. It's impossible to freaking put a stop loss that fast on every trade and to calculate where you're going to put it. I'll put a stop loss once I get rid of like 80 or 90% of my position and just let my runners go with a stop loss, but like as I'm going into a trade and calculate it, no. There goes ATR. Did you get this micro pullback here? You did. Sweet. That's a good move right there. You got 10, 15, 20 cents and still moving. Oh no. It's ripping now. Dang. You sold it all? Dang. How much did you make pretty good money on it or did you go light? That's a good trade. Just that trade right there is 5%. Second halt up SWVL. SWBL. Holy crap. Dude, what's up with these plays? How do you trade this? I'm gonna put alerts on it. I will not trade this, but I want to see what it does. Let's look at ATR again though. Light $60 profit. Hey, now you're only down 190. But I want to see what. Oh, here. I want to see what we're looking at for a bigger move. Let me get rid of this one and add it up here. Okay, so first resistance. Ugh, you still have a long way to go for a good solid trade up here. I could see 5.55 today. Oh, it's already a 5.5. No, 5.5. Yeah, I could see this line up here today. When did this one halt, by the way? 9:15 is 9:19. Okay, so 5 minutes. Did you get in on it, trader? Trader Els, did you get in on this halt or no? Also, how do you have this candle red? How does that happen? You opened that high, you came down, you closed high, and you gapped up on the next one. I'm just watching it, yeah. Did you see WBEV earlier too? Halt here, resume there, dropped, came up, halt there, high, and then tank, and then halt down there. But this has got a high of $13 way up here. Well, that's a 5 minute halt already, so how much were these? How long were these first ones? There it is. People are insane. Whoever buys those moves are the biggest risk takers I've ever seen, dude. You're already up 100% on the day, and you come out of a halt, and you're buying up here. How does that make sense? Without an obvious target. I mean, maybe there, maybe up here somewhere, but 13 is your high, so crazy, crazy. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade. I think I'm done for today. How did y'all's dip entries go? So you got GFAI, right? Hey, you're somewhere around there. You might be looking for a reversal, and the other one was MDVL. You're at the same level still, which, there goes ATR. Can we get another big squeeze through this high? Can you get another big squeeze like this one right here? There's a break. Nope, you broke it and came right below it. Come on, bud. You want to come out for a little bit? Look, I just opened the door and he'll come crawling out. This move is insane. Was there news on this one on SWVL Trader Else? Do you know? Do you know why it went up like this out of nowhere? No news. What? That makes even more no sense. And why nobody would be buying it? 1053 might be low of day on Tesla. $10.53. Oh, that's the previous. Come on, buddy. Come with me. Check pre-market. It was resistance all morning. Oh yeah. I was looking at the 180 and that was the previous candle close, so. Not not yesterday's, but oh, I guess it is from the pre-market, yeah. So I was looking here. I'll show you. Right there, which is the pre-market. But you're right, that would have been a good dip entry. Did y'all get in on it? Quick bounce of that pre-market. I don't know how big of a bounce you would get, but I mean, if you nailed it to the T right there and got in, you're up $7 a share. Or with options. Look at this guy. I nailed bottom with 10 shares. Nice. You got shares in on that one. I start playing small when I'm red and it fucks me. Because you get good trades winners and you can't make it back? Is that what you're saying? Because I'd rather, I mean, yeah, I know what you're saying. But I'd rather not increase my loss and keep the small. You know what I tell myself sometimes, a lot of times when I go red immediately? My goal for the end of the day is to be break even. That's it. I just want to break even. And to break even, that means the share sizes have to stay the same or down. If I up my share size, I'm trying to get to break even and make more. So that's when I go bigger. But now I don't know anything. I don't see anything to trade. ATR was doing good. You got a good move. Ape Trades took some profit off of that one, and then we got to 5-1 and came down. CYN, the second we broke that uptrend resistance that Mercer was calling out, we flushed. So if you were short and you're looking into getting into a short position, you got your trend lines. Draw your trend lines when you break that. Either go in short for the break. It's the same thing if you're going long, so you get that breakdown, or you can short the first pop up. So right there, especially that it's at VWAP, so you get that flush. So you could have gone in on this play here. Other stocks, I mean, you got SWVL that was halted, and WBEV. We left those alone. Those are risky plays, no news or anything like that. JBLU, I took one small winner. So this happens a lot. When you get strong sellers that defend it to the penny and they get a move in their direction, what happens is they start taking profit, which means they start clicking the buy button because they went in short. Non-marginable stock the last 2 days. Wait, hold on. I'll read yours in a second. I started reading one and then I saw you sent like 3 or 4 more. So, anyways, so you see the defending to the penny. When they get their move, they start clicking the buy button, and then buyers start saying, "Oh my God, we're a VWAP," but we start buying. So when you get a reversal like that, almost right away after a big sell move down, what happens is these sellers now want to get out. So when these sellers get out, most of them got out here, and the ones that didn't get out are trying to definitely get out now. So you're going to get that move. So I definitely got in on that one there for 126. And I think those are all my trades. I just took those two. I already imported them, and I don't think I took any more trades after that. So here it is. Today I'm up $738. Total volume of 68,000 shares, very close to yesterday. Yesterday I traded 65,000 and made a little bit more, but there's that. So let's look at my reports. In the last 30 days, I'm up. Here, I'll show you guys. Oh, wrong one. Wait. What? Why does it keep taking the wrong one? Oh. So last 30 days trading, I'm up almost $9,500. My win and loss ratio is still 72.6%. I ended green on the day. Oh, I forgot your comment. I went red to green the last 2 times, so I'm taking my green day today. Have a good day, everyone. GFAA still doing well if anyone joined. Oh, nice. And yeah, thanks for joining in, Marcel. I'll be back tomorrow, last trading day of this week. Good job trading. So keep your profits, walk off, go reach somewhere. Oh no, idiot. There we go. Don't mess it up. GFAA. Yeah, you got the bounce on GFAA, so put a stop loss and just let it run, take profits as you go up. You try to short it, wouldn't let me the last 2 days, non-marginal stock. Oh, that was two. That was Ape Trades and MRSA. I tried to short it, won't let me. Which one did you try shorting, Ape Trades, that you couldn't? And yeah, thanks, Marissa. You probably left already, but good job. CYN. Oh, yeah. Thinkorswim is very bad. Dude, you're walking in front of the light. How does that not hurt your eyeballs? Yeah, that's why I don't even try to short. Most of these low cap penny stocks, the Thinkorswim will not let you short. But I never shorted stock for that reason. So if I wanted to short, I'd probably open a different account with a different broker that I've thought about before, but nah. So I know it's 9:32, but I'm done trading. I'm up a good amount. I don't see anything else to trade. My SW. What? Guys, look at SWVL. Trader L's, are you still looking at this? It's gonna hit the $13 today. Dude, that's ridiculous. Oh, anyway, so I was saying I'm not gonna get another good trade today, so I'm just gonna walk away with my profit and keep my $700. So I think I'm gonna log off for today and get a little bit more time to relax. I'm gonna try to do the Dropbox thing real quick and see if it works. Alright. Trader L's, I see you typing. I know you're looking at it. I know you looked at it. Look at it. I know you and I are regretting not buying anything at all on this one. I mean, look, I'm zoomed out on this stock, and you can see. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see right here. It's going up by dollars as easy as some other stocks are going up by 10 cents. I think this next halt would probably pull back. You can't have this move without a pullback, so. But yeah, this is too risky. And especially because now you got the $13 up here. So this might actually get to $13 today. It might trade sideways. And if you're going to sit in front of the computer all day, I'd keep watching this one. As long as you don't flush and you keep holding sideways, $13 will be hit today. But that's enough for me, guys. I think I'm going to head out. Thanks, everybody, for coming again. I'll be back tomorrow trading, and I always say this: if you made money today, just take your profit and walk away. Don't lose it. And if you read on the day, don't make it way bigger. We all have red days. It's part of trading. That's just what it is. Hey, thanks, Debbie. Appreciate you coming in here and being with us. Anybody got some quick questions or anything like that? I think I had some pretty cool trades today. Looking at one stock, closing it out, moving to the other one, getting in real quick, and profit on that one. So that was pretty cool. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out for today. So thank you guys for coming in here, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So y'all have a good rest of your day. See you, Ape Trades, and Trader L's, and Debbie, and anybody else that was watching and stuff. So.